Did you know that 2020 was one of the hottest years ever, setting record highs all over the globe? Hi, my name is Esteban Arango. I am a Dula Roman student at Valencia and a senior at Gateway High School. And today I'll be explaining to you what climate change is, the effects it has on the planet, and why it is occurring, and what we've done and have done, what we've done and can do as a society to prevent it. I will start with what climate change is. Climate change is the change of the Earth's temperature over a period of time. We've noticed this change has drastically increased since the year 1800. And as the chart shows, this chart is made by NASA, the increase between the years 1880 and 2020 have been large. It's been a 1 degree Celsius increase. But that 1 degree Celsius has led to the record high and it has caused many things that we've noticed around the world. I'll explain to you why climate change is occurring and its effects. The main sources of climate change come from natural occurrences and human occurrences. The causes caused by natural occurrences are the increase of the sun's intensity, volcanic activity and eruptions, and even greenhouse gases caused by our environment. However, the main cause, or one of the main causes of climate change, are the human causes, which come from man-made greenhouse gases. These greenhouse gases come from the burning of fossil fuels, the use of fertilizers, and even methane gas produced by our livestock, as shown in the picture. This comes from our cattle, goats, and sheep all around the world. However, the effects of climate change are what we notice the most, and what we've noticed is really affecting our planet. This is and includes the rising of the sea level, drastic weather changes and anomalies, which you've noticed in hurricanes here in Florida and Puerto Rico, wildfires across the west of the US, and even earthquakes in China, Europe, and the US. There's also very dangerously polluted air, which we see in China, Europe, and the US, and even damage to ecosystems all around the world, which you've noticed in many videos and pictures we see on the internet of polar bears in very deserted places and without things to eat, and many other animals without things to eat and left without habitats, which have been caused by climate change. Now I'll explain to you what we've done as a society to prevent it and what we can do to prevent it. I will start with renewable energy sources. The introduction of renewable energy sources have greatly lowered climate change and the temperature increase of climate change. This comes from wind energy, solar energy, hydroelectric, biomass, and geothermal energy. Thankfully, over the years, these sources of energy have become much cheaper, and they've produced about 256 gigawatts worldwide. In the US, it only takes about 1,117 gigawatts to power us, and the percentage of renewable energy is only about 12%. So if we see that number increase, there will be a great decrease in the temperature which is caused by climate change, and we will see our ecosystems grow and our environment become much healthier. Another thing we can do as a society and are doing as a society is the introduction of electric vehicles. Many large industries and major car industries and new ones, including Tesla and ones we've already known, which are GM, Chevrolet, Nissan, Toyota, Honda, are all investing in their fully electric lineup of cars. These fully electric cars have seen greater sales around the world, and they've also greatly decreased carbon deposits around the world. And thankfully, since the introduction of these vehicles came from a few years ago, the prices are becoming cheaper, and these companies are finding cheaper ways to produce them to see a greater electric vehicle lineup around the world. Now that I explained to you what climate change is, the harmful effects it has in our environment, why it's occurring, and the effects it has on our environment, and what we can and have done to prevent it, will you be changing some of your habits to save our planet, thank you.